Well, you'll have a very concern.
Service in Blacksburg has issued a flash flood warning for north central Surrey County in northwestern North Carolina, south central Carroll County in southwestern Virginia until 8:45 p.m. At 4:43 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Include Hannah, Lambsburg, Interstate 77 corridor near, and a few miles either side of the Virginia-North Carolina state line. This includes the following streams and drainages: Ring Creek, Stewart's Creek, Fisher River, Little Fisher River, Naked Run, Sage Creek, Garner's Creek, Little Paul's Creek, Beaver Dam Creek, Paul's Creek, and Moore's Fork. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. When it is safe to do so, please send your reports of flooding, including mudslides or flooded roads, to the National Weather Service. Call free at 1-866-215-4324. Reports and pictures can also be shared on the National Weather Service Blacksburg Facebook page and on Twitter. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. for the following county: Surrey, North Carolina, and Carroll, Virginia. Spartanburg has issued a flash flood warning for central Iredell County, the Piedmont of North Carolina, until 10:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:07 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding in poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Statesville, Troutman, Stony Point, Turnersburg, Scott, and Cold Springs. Flash flooding is likely in Statesville and along 3rd and 4th Creeks. Flash thunderstorms with intense lightning and torrential rain impact central Catawba, Davie. Thunderstorms. A chance of showers until midnight, then showers.
Was that it?
Spartanburg has issued a flash flood warning for central Iredell County in the Piedmont of North Carolina until 10:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:07 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Statesville, Troutman, Stony Point, Turnersburg, Scott, and Cold Springs. Flash flooding is likely in Statesville and along 3rd and 4th Creeks.